Hello everyone, go as far as you can see with you, and today we are in Santa Barbara on West Street and specifically West 29th Street. I want to share with you this little store, Old Town and Antiques. They have pretty good rotation of their items, and some of them are amazing. I have a take a look already here and I was impressed. Well, we'll get inside and I'll show you some, we'll get some pics. Hours preparation. And we got some music playing over here, so we do have to talk in order to not get copyright content. We're gonna try to keep talking because of the music. I like some of those rings, and we'll take a look if there's any one of those made out of the silver, and they are that I probably show to my wife because there are some of them might be good for her collection. And as we look at these guys right here, this is not a rings, but it is nice. It's probably here most of the stuff. Yeah, we'll probably have to get around a little bit away from this player, vintage radio that is playing right there at the bottom. And it is one right there. It is not for sale, but it's something I would really like to have. You have very nice radio.
Oh, that one over there?
No, one that's playing right there.
Oh.
Yeah.
They're beautiful.
Yep, this is some of the from my connection. I might like to get one of those. So I collecting cards. And that's only $19. Let's get this thing with me. See what my wife's gonna say. Book holders. And of course, we're going to get into some of that stuff. Silverware. Those are very nice condition records, and most likely they are all new. Some of the vintage star dresses, I would say. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful. I like this one. This is new, right?
Yes.
Nice. Nice. Old photos. Yeah, we got lots of photos. What is this? This is a house numbers look like. 3 doors each. There's nothing over here. It's appear to be some Chinese stuff too. But those are unique. Those are most of the top handworks. Very many unique items.
Thank you. I know you're here.
All comic books. Condition, of course, want to be a little better condition, but look like it's appeared to be great. $165 for this record player. I had one of those before. This is nice. Theater binocular. 25, I'm assuming. cork opener. Very interested. Looks like it's a wood. I like this leather coat. Yeah, it has some history to it. Let's see. Marishak, I found something. Look what I found. Смотри, что я нашел. Cards for what is $19. Too much? 19. Mm-hmm.
А я вот этот календарь нашла. Я думаю, что он нам нужен.
Which one?
Вот. За 18.
We'll get back to this area. Don't break anything.
Вот, смотри.
You're a beautiful woman. Oh, that's nice.
Смотри, деревянная.
How much is it? 20.
18.
Let's buy it.
Это, короче, не говори, не слышь, мне тоже
Maya,
нравится.
let's get it.
Смотри, так раз делается.
Берем.
Ага.
I'll take this. Can you hold this for me?
А?
Это подержи.
Это не надо.
Там положим при входе. I'll get this. I like it too. Very unique item. I'm not sure how old is it, but it's definitely made by hands. We're going to take a look and see. $18. Let's see. Hers no L, C no L, L, speak no L, 18. Not much what I understand. Here's the Playboy magazines. A little bit of everything. So this is the men's section. This is Ventures. I like this pig thing. Nice sign. What do they want for that? There's no signature. Very soft and fragile. There is only $20. You have no year on it, but it's definitely, I can see a little bit old and that can break very easy. Fragile. 65 for the multi-glass lamp. Look at these little toys. Yeah, they are really great items. Snow White, 10 figures, $600. Nothing sold separately. Wow, this is all sold together. This is $550 over here, those guys, and this is $600. Oh my lord, this is expensive. Great collection, unique, and we're going to be visit that building probably soon. Look at this old original pictures. Isn't it beautiful? I like these lights. We need to get a couple of those since we do have one. Pick yourself an old image, old picture. This is a nice too. Oh, easel, Barishek. We do have an easel over here. We do have easel. We do have a couple of those, maybe 3. What do they want for it? $145. It's a good price for the easel. This is came out of the old chest, I would say, antique, and that's very old. The way everything's finished. This is probably from the radio. 1940s Sonor Visa not yet. It's probably locked. I think it's from the Play radio, as far as I know one. But that's maybe I'm wrong. These Revel trains and cabooses and wagons. They're all somewhere around $25 each. I think I have one of those old radios too. And this clock is running. Swiss Army rocket walking. I like the watch. It's maybe electric. Somebody have to wind this up. Так не нужно. So if you are in Santa Barbara, I would definitely suggest to take a look at this exposition, as the items here is only unique items. I like this actually ring is maybe, it sounds look like it has a little bit of gold into it. It's a rose gold. I can ask her later. Nothing else. That's what drew our eyes to it. But oh, she was mentioning about the little basket with the little vehicles, and apparently they put everything in the plastic. Look at this, 3 doors. That's interesting item. I would probably buy all of those for my store. I will going to drag this one very careful out of this area and set it somewhere so I can peek through it a little bit, as I was interested into it. Let's dig it a little bit. It's all original actually. $10. It's a similar to it. Okay condition. This is appear to be plastic. Yeah, I do have quite a bigger collection. This is nice. And of course it's not complete. It's missing a barrel for the concrete. Yeah. Very, very nice. Gotta put it back. Okay, let's go ahead and proceed. Looks like it's a skin from a snake, and that's about $400. This is another nice exposition. The price tag is $149. Great work, but I like more of the colors. Baccalaureate, what do you call those things? They are more of a, I have no idea, brand. It's maybe Japanese too. This is a nice one. Azan Dragon, $40 only. As far as I remember, it's a unique material. It's not a plastic. Well, this is basically where we are. Let's go there. We have something here we like to get. How much is this with taxes and everything?
$19.58.
1958. And is this reproduction, this little knife over here?
Which one?
This one right here? No, this one too. Yeah.
I don't think it's a reproduction, it's just that it's a newer knife.
Uh-huh. No, we're not interested in that. I was wondering if she want to get any of silver rings. Marina, have you find any silver rings that you like?
We have lots of silver rings.
Очень много
What stone
silver.
does she like?
She's prefer. Покажи свои.
Amethyst?
She don't get anything. She don't get anything with her on it. But usually it's like if it's have any creatures on it. Dolphins. We recently got dolphins.
Oh, no, I know I haven't seen
Okay.
dolphins.
Okay.
No, thank
There's
you.
a one ring over there at the end. It looks like has a rose gold. It's a main ring. Is that right?
No, those wouldn't be, it would be
Gotcha.
vermil, just
Thank you.
plate
Thank you.
over it.
Okay, let's get the pay it out and we gotta go. Who's the owner? The owner of the store.
There's 2 owners and there's 13 other dealers.
Nice. We like it. We're going to. I'll put on my channel.
Do you want to do a card?
I will do card, yes.
Okay.
Old Town Antiques. All right. Thanks for watching, guys.